To this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can add picture to your CapCut project. So now I'm using CapCut for PC, and just open the CapCut, and after you open it, you are just going to select media and just click import to import your pictures, to import your videos, to import your audios that you want to edit. So prepare your picture, you prepare your clip, and select your pictures that you want to add to your CapCut. Just click open. So the picture has been imported. So you are just going to add to your track, just drag, or you can click add to track. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching.